Departure station.
Those are pretty.
SPF 100. Aloha. Okay, so what I realized is that I totally forgot to put more footage of our Airbnb, but here's the drive to the location. It was awesome. Pretty much all the options in Maui are pretty pricey. Here's what we secured. We got a 1-bedroom, 2 full bath condo on the ground level, and it came with a pool access and parking. This is a 5-star space, guys. Even the pull-out couch had been upgraded to a Tempur-Pedic mattress. The outdoor items such as beach umbrellas, chairs, sand toys, frisbees, and everything else was included, which made it a big win. Unfortunately, things are pretty pricey on Maui, and so you will need to expect to pay premium pricing for your overnight accommodations, but in every other area you should be able to save money.
That is so cool. There's actually a little icon of their car company on the floor.
They don't even know the name
They're
of it.
bougie.
You're what?
Bougie. They're bougie.
Don't lean on that Tesla next to you.
$5 leaves. Honor system. Car.
They coming this way?
Yeah.
Wow.
They went down there. Oh, so that's the trail over there. Oh, we could go swimming in it. Ah. Sometimes you gotta leave the path. Go to the road less traveled.
Ribs.
Hey, Oprah Winfrey.
We're coming up on the turn for Koki and Hamoa beaches. I'll tell you where to turn.
I thought you knew. Oprah Lindsay. So all this land Oprah owns. 130 acres, they said?
Something like that.
She just bought it because she thought it was so beautiful and she wants to preserve it for generations to come.
You need to cut her grass.
Oprah need to cut her grass.
To see the two beautiful beaches.
So we're here at the only gas station
In Hana.
in the town of Hana,
Which is,
where the price of gas, regular, is $5.24 a gallon, y'all.
how many miles was it to get? Like 30 miles? Through
Yeah.
winding roads, so it took us like 2.5 hours.
It took us about 2.5 hours to get here.
Yeah.
$25 just to top off the tank. We didn't, maybe a quarter tank you used, or?
I was almost at like a half tank, I guess.
Okay, so
But it
just
was
for
$4,
half a
so
tank.
Maybe you just stopped and I didn't. I should have tried it again.
No, it's fine. See what happens. Blow horn. That's how you blow it. That's how you tell them somebody. Tell somebody you coming through. Wow.
Car behind me, like, well, you did it.
It's a car behind you. Oh. This dude ordered a tomahawk steak, and it was $250.
It's the best part.
He's not wasting a piece.
You can hate me now. But I won't stop now.
Because I can't stop it.
Not all inclusive.
You said what?
Come on,
Classy. It's smart. It's just a card you sign up for.
very well.
Yeah.
Is it down the stairwell?
Yeah. Here, baby.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Better than Oahu's airport. This is the Maui airport, Kahului airport, and it's 10 times better than Oahu's airport. And yeah, that's the tram leaving because we're not quick enough to catch it. But no problem, we'll catch it on the next one. Funny story.
We'll tell you about it later.
Yeah, it's not safe to sell it out in the open like this. Let's get through TSA first, but check out them views. Them views for the win.
So if I think what I think is right, on the other side of that is the road to Hana.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, look at that crop duster leaving. That's the only type of small airplane I know is a crop duster.
But the road to Hana. Oh, we got plenty of video of that.
Yeah, you'll see.
And you'll see it. But the mountain is like it's big. It goes all the way across.
Yeah.
We live on Oahu, we have mountains on both sides, but they're big, but not this big.
Yeah, this is like one big mountain versus Oahu's like 2 or 3 big mountains.
And we say mountain, but really it's dormant volcanoes.
Yeah, dormant volcanoes, because we live dangerously. You had a good time on Maui, Eva?
Yeah.
Time to go back to
Honolulu.
That's right, Honolulu, baby.
What was your favorite part?
What was your favorite part of Oahu? Of Maui. On Maui.
I think it was the road.
You like the road to Hana? It was cool.
It was cool. We'll
It was
tell
a
you
long
more
drive.
about
No,
it.
the black beach. The black beach.
Oh, the black sand beach was awesome on Oahu, but
Yeah.
you couldn't enjoy it like you wanted to. That's the only thing.
It was a lot of people. It wasn't that big.
Yeah.
And it wasn't really sand.
Yeah, it was more rocks.
Yeah, so if you don't want to get any sand on you, that's a good beach to go to.
True. Accurate.
That's true. We look at the bright side of things.
Glass half full.
Right. Look at the bright side. You remember that? Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh, I hate that thing.
Alrighty, so you guys back home on Oahu. Sad only. This is not our stop.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear.
Please stop talking. We're playing a quiet game.
Mr. Adams. Are you recording?
Yes.
When I get rid of this bottle and go to TSA, go ahead and go on the other side of TSA and buy another bottle of water.
Wisdom.
You need to drink some water.
I'm drinking a bunch. I drank a lot of juice too the whole time I was drinking those shots.
This is the water. This is alkaline.
Eva, was there something you were saying?
We were playing the quiet game.
Oh, sorry, we're playing the quiet game. I'm the only mom that has a kid that likes to carry illegal items and try to get them to TSA. Find a trash can, please.
I've tried to find one
Jeez,
right now.
go ahead.
Please.
Find a trash can. My God. She wants to get us. Hey, you see that, Micah? Please, find a trash can. I knew you had my back. That's the level of trust I have. I love those shirts, man. Away. And I had it, no problem.
And then you just have to make them beautiful. Yeah. Very love. I'm supportive love.
It's a lot emptier than it was last time, wasn't it? No, we came out this way. Because I remember that vitamin water. right, I'm about to go. So guys, we are all done and we are on our way back to Oahu. I'm sorry I have not vlogged at all, but you will see lots and lots of footage from our Maui trip. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace, love, and travel, baby.
Road to Hana.
Road to Hana was amazing. Bye.